Can you hear me?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, sorry. My voice is long gone.
Okay. Yeah, no worries. Here, let me kill my tunes for a second. Say something.
Hello, hello, hello. Test.
Let me turn the volume down on you a little bit. There's some weird thing I haven't figured out with the volume controls.
Just cut out. Can you hear me?
Barely.
Oh, okay. No.
Okay. I don't know. Let me turn off the echo. Okay. Try that.
Okay. Hello, hello. Second.
Can you hear you?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Great. Sorry, I was looking up crap for my kids for school.
Oh,
Okay. Debounce. I played around with debouncing stuff. I don't think debouncing is really what we want.
okay.
But I played around with debouncing in a few different locations. Um, it has some interesting side effects, um, but I don't think it's what we want, and it's not. I don't think it's going to solve our problems in terms of the jitteriness of the stuff. We need like a dampening algorithm instead of debounce.
Gotcha.
Um,
Yeah, I mean, if I show you mine, you'll see it's much less jittery. So I don't know what's,
I mean, it could be your device, right? Like it could
like,
be.
could be, yeah.
Um, so, but let me look. But the legs are clearly triggered by the arms. It seems like.
Yes, they are.
Okay. So let me launch the app again.
You want to share your screen?
Yeah. Sure. That screen. I hooked up a longer cable. So.
Great. Yeah. So it seems like the legs trigger, if you put your legs like next to each other, so see how it does the chest?
Yeah.
And then if
But
you put, yeah, if you,
the chest is off.
the chest is not really off. You're fine. It's, it's really like your leg area is coming up to
Yeah.
that. It's just wrong.
Yeah. Yeah, that's
Sorry.
weird.
Yeah, well, I think I've narrowed down where it is, but I don't know why it's happening.
Okay.
Um, which is in the, and it might just be my Kotlin knowledges, but it's in pose problem. There's an extension called detection feedback. Yeah, it's this. And in here, um, there's these, there's these, sorry, my voice is just going. There's these, this is the conversion from the lower level errors to the higher level errors.
Okay.
And these are not returning the correct thing. Like if I log what this is
Mm-hmm.
before any of these things, I'll see the correct errors, but then it's returning the it's going into the wrong if blocks. So
Interesting.
I don't know if this logic is wrong or if there's like something that's changing um,
Let's see.
what this is, or I don't know. I just don't know what it is.
It shouldn't be. So, what are we in here? So, we're in. This should be the list of the pose problems.
Yeah,
And when we do a get, what are we in? We're in a getter on the list.
yeah,
Uh, so, is this happening when we do. We're in this detection feedback getter on the list. Oh, what is it doing? Never seen that happen before. Okay. So this is just a getter, so it should just be computed, but
Yeah,
then we
that's what
have
I think too.
defined the set of these things. We have a set of these things. We have all these sets of these things.
Yeah, and I've looked several times. I'm like, is this wrong? And I'm like, no,
So
no, these all look right.
the sets look defined correctly.
Yep.
And
But
then
bad leg pose errors will end up as not upright. Like I'll have come through
what is that?
like legs not spread, right leg not spread, uneven ankles, and it'll come back as
Bad leg pose error. Returns true if the collection has at least one element.
yeah.
But that's fine. But
Yeah, but I'll have an error in this one and it won't return. But it will return in this one, even though the error is one of these, not one of these.
this is not. This is like bad leg errors includes any of these things. It's saying if it doesn't include any of these things, then return this.
Oh yeah, is it reversed?
Yeah, this is a not in front of it, so it's saying if it does not include any of these.
Oh
So
yeah, maybe that's all it is.
so what is bad? What is bad leg pose errors? Bad leg pose errors is legs not spread, right leg's
Yeah.
not spread, right leg's too wide, left leg not spread, left leg too wide, uneven knees, uneven ankles, off center knees, off center ankles. It seems like we're saying
Oh my God, I can't believe I'm just
it seems like we want to say if
Yeah,
well, it goes through this is going through each of these things in this set
yeah,
and it's checking if they are found in this.
yeah,
And that which is the array. So it's saying if this is in this array which returns a boolean, then this will be true. If it
yeah,
exhausts all of those and none of them are matched inside of this array, then we'll skip this and go down to this next one.
yeah, you're right. I can't believe I did not
Okay.
notice that.
Do we have the same problem here as well?
For every single one, I think they're all reversed.
But this is not upright errors. So that also seems like yeah, that seems
I mean, it's the
reversed.
same construction for all of them, yeah.
Right arm raised errors. Left arm raised errors. Right arm too high errors. Left arm too high errors. Right
How did
arm.
it even work at all
I don't
then?
know. It's very. I'm not sure. I mean, it was like getting picked up by one of the other ones.
Yeah, I mean, that makes sense, but how was it ever successful?
I don't know. Yeah, I'm not sure.
Okay, wait, try this then. Does this actually fix it?
Let's see.
Or
Do a clean build just to make sure. Let's see what happens. Yeah, you can continue its level. Stand in front of your phone so that your entire body is viewable. Remain in this spot for the remainder. Remain in this spot for the remainder of the body. Remain in this.
you are supposed to go left slightly.
Remain in this spot for the remainder of the body mapping session. Make a pose with your feet shoulder width apart and your arms extended. Spread. My arm should be bright red, right? Like.
Well, it's doing legs first.
Oh, it's doing legs first.
Yeah.
What's wrong with my legs? Extend your arm. Extend your arms. Extend your arms out to your side. Okay, let's try. Well, that's improved.
Yeah, try leaning over to the left or the right. Does it say? Yeah. This looks more correct.
Why is the cross position acceptable?
I don't know. I mean, it is a little bit uh, why is it letting you go without a wrist? Your wrist is off screen.
Yeah, why is it when that's off screen too? It's not letting me go, it's
Oh.
just green.
Oh, it actually said the right thing.
Yeah, it verbally said your entire body is not in view.
Maybe do we have something wrong with the coloring? It should be everything's red, everything's green instead.
Should be everything is red when your entire body's not in view.
Yeah.